Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the best seafood pot pie ever, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, dice 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 rib of celery. Next, chop up some fresh rosemary. Finally, prepare some thyme. Next, peel and devein a pound of shrimp. When you finish preparing your ingredients, set them to the side. Next, in a large pot over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add the pound of shrimp you prepared before. Next, season the shrimp. I seasoned my shrimp with Old Bay, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Then proceed to cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the shrimp have finished cooking, remove them from the pot. Next, add 1 cup of diced onions, a half a cup of diced bell peppers, and a 1/4 cup of diced celery. Saute the veggies for 4 to 5 minutes or until the onions become translucent. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook everything together for another minute. Now reduce the heat to medium-low and add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in the pot. Once the butter is melted, gradually mix in 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue to mix everything together until the flour is completely absorbed. Then gradually mix in 2 cups of chicken broth. Once you've added all of the chicken broth, bring your mixture to a simmer. Then add 1 cup of heavy cream and stir until combined. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Then mix everything together until well combined. Now let the gravy cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then gently mix in the shrimp you cooked before, 8 ounces of lump crab meat, and 12 ounces of crawfish meat. When you're finished, remove your filling from the heat and set it to the side. Now we're going to prepare the topping for the seafood pot pie. First, get 1 box of Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix. Next, in a large bowl, add the mix, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, add 3/4 cup of water, then mix everything together until a shaggy dough forms, and be careful not to overmix the dough. When you're finished, set the dough to the side. Next, place some ramekins on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. Then pour the seafood filling into the ramekins. Now add some of the Cheddar Bay biscuit dough on top of the ramekins, making sure to cover the top completely. When you're finished, place the pot pies in the oven at 425 degrees for 14 to 16 minutes. While the pot pies are baking in the oven, we're going to prepare the garlic butter. In a bowl, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in the microwave. Then add the garlic herb seasoning that's included in the Red Lobster box. Next, mix the seasoning and butter together until well combined. When you're finished, set the butter to the side. Once the pot pies are finished baking in the oven, brush the garlic butter on top. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. This seafood pot pie was so good. It was creamy, filled with seafood, and the Cheddar Bay biscuit on top makes it even better. I got this recipe from King Cooks. He makes amazing recipes, and I'll have his website and TikTok linked in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!